Have you ever walked into a room and suddenly felt unwelcome? Maybe someone rolled their eyes, turned away, or crossed their arms. That sinking feeling in your gut, it's real. And what's even more surprising is that your brain picks up on these signals before you're even aware of them. But here's the good news. Once you learn how to spot and label these social cues, you can take back control of the situation and your confidence. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into something that affects everyone, whether you realize it or not. Social rejection cues. Those tiny, often subconscious signals people give off that can make you feel left out, dismissed, or unimportant. And here's the thing, if you don't recognize them, they can completely throw you off. But once you do, you can stay confident and in control no matter what. Social rejection doesn't always look obvious. It's not like someone announces, "Hey, I don't like you." Instead, it's subtle, non-verbal, and it happens in split seconds. Maybe someone rolls their eyes mid-conversation. Maybe they glance away the moment you start speaking. Maybe they lean back, cross their arms, or turn their body away slightly. These are all signals that, on some level, they're disengaging. And your brain, it notices immediately. What's even more fascinating is that your body reacts before you even have time to process it. The moment you sense rejection, your field of vision widens. You literally see more as your brain starts scanning the environment. Your pupils dilate, your adrenaline spikes, and suddenly you feel uneasy. That's your body saying something is wrong. Find a way out. This is exactly why a meeting, a conversation, or even a presentation can go downhill so fast. You walk in, you're feeling prepared, feeling good, and then, mid-sentence, you see it. Someone smirks, someone shifts uncomfortably, someone lets out a small sigh, and just like that, you lose focus. You blank out, your confidence tanks. But here's where everything changes. There's a secret trick to taking control in moments like this, and it's shockingly simple. All you have to do is label the cue. The second you see an eye roll, a scoff, or a turn away, say it in your head. That was an eye roll. That was a smirk. UCLA research has proven that the moment we name an emotion, our brain's fear response calms down. Suddenly, you're no longer reacting, you're observing. And when you observe instead of react, you stay in control. Once you've labeled it, the next step is just as important. Decide how to respond. Instead of shutting down or second-guessing yourself, take a deep breath and keep going. If someone sends a rejection cue, it's not always about you. It could be their own stress, distraction, or personal bias, but you get to choose how you respond. Confidence isn't about never feeling rejected. It's about knowing what to do when it happens. And the fastest way to stay confident in any social situation is by recognizing the cues, labeling them, and staying in control of your reaction. The next time you're in a conversation, a meeting, or any social situation, start paying attention. Notice the subtle signals, and instead of letting them throw you off, try labeling them and see how much power that gives you. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering social interactions. And tell me in the comments, have you ever experienced a moment of social rejection? What did you do? Let's talk about it.